Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. And on the board here, we have some figures. They're not drawn with expertise because I'm not an artist, but I hope you get the idea. Here on top, we have what we call 2D figures, two-dimensional figures. That's right, they just go left and right, up and down, left and right, up and down, 2 dimensions. Now, here, these are 3-dimensional figures because we got left and right, forward and backwards, up and down. We've got 3 dimensions. Now, we live in a 3-dimensional world, but we have figures that we draw on paper that are 2-dimensional. And when we do this, we have different words, and we have to make sure that we understand and use our words correctly. Because later on, as the kids progress through 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th grade, as they go through geometry, they're going to be using words to describe these 2nd and 3rd degree figures, and the teachers will probably be using these terms. And if we start out correctly, we'll be okay later on. So on our 2nd degree, that means your planar figures, your circles, your rectangles, your squares, triangles, hexagons, planar figures. They have an interior and an exterior. Interior and exterior. So what is interior, which is bounded by the sides of the figure, and then the exterior, which is outside those bounded lines. So we have 2 different parts, the interior and the exterior. Now, it's easy to understand the difference because think of a giant box. A giant box. You've had one at home, and you even gave one probably to your children when they were kids. And they got to play inside the box. Because that's what we call it, even in mathematics. This is the inside and outside for a 3-dimensional figure. So think of climbing inside the box. And when you don't climb inside, those are left outside the box. We have inside and outside. So 3D gives us inside and outside, and 2-dimensional gives us interior and exterior. So let's try and use the correct terms. I'm sure you do already, but if you've forgotten and use them interchangeably, please don't, because it's really important as the students later on go through geometry in different grade levels and into a pure class of geometry, that they're going to want to have exact definitions for these. So have fun, enjoy your year, and see you next time on Math with Mr. W.